Alright, we're going to do a remake of Danny Trejo and making his gray hair and mustache darker. So we'll start out with the background. I will right click on it and I will duplicate the layer. That way you can see the difference when we're finished. Now we're going to work on this background copy. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a brush. In my brush tool, I'm going to find a brush which has a soft type edge. There we go, that one will work. And of course you can use the right bracket to make it larger, left bracket to make it smaller. On the keyboard I'm going to press the letter Q. As you can see, that's changed this to a pink color, and now when I paint it will become red. I'm going to paint in the areas which I see that are gray, and I'll start over there on his head, right along the edge. I don't want to get his skin. If I do make a mistake, let's say for example that I came over here and I just painted here and realized I got this on an area I did not want, like on the skin. I simply change my color from black to white, and then I can come in here and I can change so it looks better. I'll put it back to black. Now I'm going to press the Q on the keyboard one more time. And you can see it selected the opposite of the area that I want, so I will go to select, choose the inverse, and now I have the area selected that I want to change. From here, I will simply go to an adjustment layer. If adjustments is not available on yours, go to window and you can see the adjustments are right there. In the adjustment layer, I'm going to choose the brightness and the contrast. You can see that now it's going to only affect the area that we had masked. So now with the brightness, I'm going to trim it down. Do not do something like that. It will look fake. Just put it down a little bit and make somewhat of a difference. Don't overdo it. Alright, so now the hair is finished. If I wanted to do the mustache, I would come back to my copy. I would press my Q. I would come back in and I can get the mustache. To make this smaller, I'll use the left bracket tool so that I can get this area. And we're going to do the same thing with this mustache that we did with the hair. From here I got a little bit on the lip, so I'm going to change it to the white. I'll erase that little bit of an area, otherwise his lip will look a little deformed. And now I'm ready to press the Q again. I have the inverse selected, so I'm going to go up and select the inverse, or Control-Shift-I, and now I'm going back to another adjustment layer. It's going to be a brightness and contrast one. And from there I will darken this area so that I can get it to look pretty good. Like I said, do not overdo it or it will look really fake. Just bring it out to where it looks pretty good. And there you can see the difference. That's before. That's adding the dark layer. And that's it. Thank you.